guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a brand new launch from a brand new brand, Allie Glines Ravie Beauty. I am so excited for her, and when I saw these lipsticks, guys, I needed them all. So let's get in and try these on and swatches. If you would like to see, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So guys, how are you? I'm doing okay. Thought I would come back here and do a review of these beautiful lipsticks. Allie Glines is somebody I follow and love. I have got to buy one of her little brush cases, but she just put out a video a few days ago about her brand new brand, Ravie Beauty, Effortless Beauty. And when I found out the lipsticks were made in Italy, that made me want all three of them. I wished I could have got her little bag. She also has a bag bundle deal where you get the denim bag. It's so beautiful with all three lipsticks, but I couldn't get that. But I had to at least support Allie and get her first launch. I can't wait to see what else she brings out. But the lipsticks come in a very nice slate gray component box, and then I already took pictures of them and I did swatches. So we're going to go ahead and start with the lightest color, and this is what you get. Then you have the sleek lipstick tube, and I like the way she explained this. She wanted the lipstick to fit the whole mouth. You know how bigger lipsticks, square lipsticks, they don't fit the lips exactly. They kind of go over a little bit. So I like the way she explained about doing this. So let's try it out. I'm keeping on the light brown lip pencil. This is Lily. Now, these are meant to be a wash of color, and you can build them up, all three of them. The formula is so nice and so soft. Now we're going to build her up just a little bit more. Gosh, those feel nice. They feel kind of like satin. So here is about 4 swipes of Lily. This next one is Dahlia, and it's like a rosewood pink. It is so gorgeous. We're going to try her. So here is 2 swipes on the lips. I love this color. I love Lily. Lily is more of my lip tone. And you know, I'm really happy to have a color so close to my natural lip color. So this is 2 swipes of Dahlia. And let's go ahead and build her up. So here's 4 swipes of Dahlia. I really love this color. So here's all the swatches. This is Lily, this is Tulip, and this is Dahlia. Such beautiful colors. And Allie also explained that she really doesn't feel like she needs a lip liner with these because they do cover the full lip. So I'm going to take the lip liner off for the next lip swatch and show you that you really don't need one. Be right back. Okay, we are back and we're going to go in with Tulip, the darkest one. Now y'all don't see me wear a lot of reds, and I'm going to tell you why. Because of the lip lines that I have coming down where I used to smoke cigarettes. Don't pick up that habit because it really will ruin your lips. But I don't wear reds for that specific reason. Now this is a cross between a red and like a really bright pink. So I thought this might be my shade. So let's see what this one looks like. This formula is so nice, guys. Okay, so this is Tulip. This is about 2 swipes, top and bottom. I love it. Now we're going to build it up, and I did not have a lip liner on. These feel amazing. And I like that when you look at the lip on, it's shiny. I don't have anything extra on my lips. Has that shine to it. They are so nice on the lips. And this is Tulip built up. I absolutely love every color. This is a home run for me because it's not a deep red, but it's a mix between red and a fuchsia-like pink. I love it. Maybe not fuchsia, but a dark pink. I love all 3 of them, and they will be used a lot. I just wish I could have got that beautiful little bag. But let me know, do you follow Allie Glines? If not, you definitely should be. And have you heard of Ravie Beauty? I believe in supporting my makeup sisters here on YouTube, my YouTube makeup sisters, even though I'm sure she does not know who I am, but I really love Allie. I love what she has started with her bags and now this makeup brand, and I can guarantee you I will be purchasing the next stuff that she comes out with because these are gorgeous. So let me know, guys, do you think that you will go over and pick up any of these colors? And let me know, what was your favorite color out of all 3 of these that I swatched? All 3 of them I love, but I can see me wearing Dahlia and Lily the most. But I will wear Tulip also because when I do a dark red eye look, this will be my go-to for my lip. I just really love the way the formula feels, the way it was easy to apply, and the packaging is just a vibe. So guys, that is going to be the end of this video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature woman, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss an upload. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.